Very concerned right now because anybody who's watched Kitco knows that America became the power in 1944 with the Bretton Woods Agreement, and then this dollar became the reserve currency of the world. In other words, the dollar was as good as gold. That's all changed, and today we're in serious trouble globally, and I'm very concerned. The end of the American empire is here.
Robert Kiyosaki, popularly known for his experience as one of the world's best finance and economic gurus, has given his prediction for Bitcoin. Robert's Bitcoin prediction has been the topic of discussion due to how optimistic it is. In today's video, we will discuss Robert Kiyosaki's Bitcoin price prediction and his insights behind Bitcoin's prediction, so stay tuned. During the 2017 Bitcoin bull market, Bitcoin performed spectacularly, shocking everyone by rallying from the 100s to the 1000s to the 20,000s. Because the cryptocurrency business was still young and new, many investors were unprepared for that specific Bitcoin bull market. Despite his expertise in finance, Robert Kiyosaki was not an exception since he missed the fundamental that drove Bitcoin price. That specific Bitcoin bull market was wonderful and the start of a new revolution for Bitcoin trading. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of The Poor Dad, Rich Dad, revealed in a recent tweet that during the 2017 Bitcoin bull market, he watched Bitcoin rally with high momentum from $800 to $10,000 to $25,000 with great excitement. But he missed this tremendous rally by Bitcoin because he lacked the fundamentals of how Bitcoin worked, and he learned waiting for Bitcoin to fall so he can gladly purchase more Bitcoin. By December 18, Bitcoin had begun to slide from its all-time high of $25,000, and he waited until it had dropped to nearly $0, despite being worth $300. After reaching this price, he realized the power of Bitcoin and began purchasing more and more Bitcoin as if it were an addiction. In reality, Robert Kiyosaki became addicted to Bitcoin. What did Robert learn that made him addicted to buying more Bitcoin as a great investor? Stay around to take advantage of his lessons.
I ain't going nowhere.
She ain't going nowhere.
Banks, government agencies, and significant technology businesses virtually always rely on the government when they cannot finance their operations in times of crisis. In fact, the US government saved Elon Musk's Tesla. Without the government's assistance, Tesla would have gone bankrupt and died. Not only Tesla, but also many other well-known enterprises and institutions, such as Credit Suisse. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies do not require government assistance or bailouts to flourish. Governments and government institutions even despise Bitcoin, yet continue to thrive. Robert Kiyosaki stated that he likes Bitcoin because after falling from more than $25,000 to $300, Bitcoin rallied to about $70,000 in 2021. Robert Kiyosaki learned an insane lesson there. He then discovered that, unlike banks or other firms or investment schemes such as government securities, Bitcoin does not require government or Fed approval to rebound after falling from high to low values. Robert courageously discovered that Bitcoin depends on the people and that it is run by the people rather than the Fed or the government because Bitcoin did not require a bailout from the Fed or the government when it fell in 2017. There is a saying that knowledge is nothing when not put into use. After learning a lesson in 2017, Robert has used this to predict Bitcoin. For you to avoid missing his prediction, keep watching. We analyze exclusive price predictions of the top cryptocurrencies by top crypto and financial market investors like Robert Kiyosaki and Cathie Wood. To take advantage of these predictions and profit from them, subscribe to the channel and put on notifications. Robert Kiyosaki, one of the world's finest investors, has predicted several financial assets, including gold, silver, and Bitcoin, and has repeatedly stated that money is trash. This is due to the lessons he's learned over the years of investing. This time, Robert touched only Bitcoin in his prediction. Due to the price action Bitcoin is showing after everything happening in the world right now.
It's very wise.
Given the geopolitical challenges in the world, where Russia is driving other countries to abandon the dollar as their reserve currency in favor of trading in alternative currencies, the dollar has been weak, and many investors are buying more Bitcoin as a haven. Furthermore, the Fed funds rate is pricing in a likely interest rate cut to alleviate the banking problem, which is one of the primary drivers of Bitcoin's ascent. Because of the current economic crisis, banks reporting losses, banks failing, and the fact that Bitcoin relies on the people to rally rather than the government, Robert Kiyosaki predicted that Bitcoin would reach $100,000. He boldly tweeted, "BC did not need Fed or government bailout because BC people's money. BC to $100,000. Long live BC." Elon Musk, the father of Dogecoin, has also given his prediction for Dogecoin. To not miss this prediction, kindly check out the video on Elon's Dogecoin prediction because you can't afford to miss it.